Is your love for music in your DNA? Discover the science. Have you ever wondered why some people can't help but dance to a catchy tune while others just sit there, unfazed? A fascinating new study suggests that the answer might lie in our genes. This research, recently published in Nature Communications, reveals that nearly 54% of the differences in how much we enjoy music can be traced back to our genetic makeup. The study involved over 9,000 Swedish twins and utilized the Barcelona Music Reward Questionnaire, a clever tool designed to measure how much joy individuals derive from music. What the researchers discovered is that musical enjoyment isn't just a simple trait, it's a complex mix of various elements. These include how music evokes emotions, helps regulate our mood, drives us to seek out tunes, triggers our sensorimotor responses, and fosters social connections. Each of these aspects seems to be influenced by different genetic pathways, making the science behind our musical preferences even more intriguing. Interestingly, the genetic influences on our enjoyment of music aren't merely a side effect of general reward sensitivity or basic musical skills. In fact, about 70% of the genetic impact on musical enjoyment is unique to this trait alone, rather than overlapping with other abilities. This suggests that specific genes might be responsible for the intense emotional reactions that music can stir in some individuals, while leaving others completely unmoved. Delving deeper, the researchers found that certain elements of musical enjoyment, like the joy of sharing music with others, had stronger genetic connections to music perception skills than other aspects. This points to a complex genetic framework where different facets of music appreciation are shaped by distinct sets of genes. Notably, there wasn't a single genetic factor that explained all dimensions of musical enjoyment, reinforcing the idea that our pleasure in music arises from a variety of biological mechanisms. While environmental factors were considered, they played a surprisingly minor role. Shared experiences, like upbringing, seem to have little effect on how sensitive we are to musical rewards as adults. Instead, it's our unique life experiences that shape these traits, although the majority of the differences still stem from our genetic background. These findings challenge the long-held belief that musical enjoyment is solely a product of learning or culture. Instead, they highlight a biological foundation that may explain why some people get goosebumps from their favorite songs while others remain indifferent. This research adds a new dimension to our understanding of human musicality and opens the door for future studies to identify specific genetic markers linked to various aspects of music appreciation. With a clearer picture of the genetic and psychological factors behind our love for music, scientists are excited about the potential to explore the evolutionary significance of music and its profound impact on our lives.